Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove items from your favorites tab. I think it only works for video effects. I don't know if you can favorite text or stickers. Okay, you can favorite stickers as well. So here I'll show you, for instance, you favorited a sticker or you favorited a video effect. To remove it from your favorites, you can either go to the sticker and select the favorite sign, or if you want, you're just going to select the favorites tab because you're not going to just go one by one and see which of these you favorited. Go to the favorites tab, select the effect that you want to unfavorite, select the start button, and it's gone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!